Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Free Fire is stuck on loading screen. First, make sure your internet is connecting or not. Then open the icon bar and check your internet. If internet are not working, then switch Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Then it is still not working, turn on airplane mode for few seconds, then turn it off. Sometimes internet is also problem the game won't load, and close Free Fire completely and remove it from recent app and restart your phone and open it again. And if it still doesn't work, then go to the Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, go to the App Store and search Free Fire. And if you see there any update available, then update it. And after doing that, go to the setting and open app management and go to the app list and search application name Free Fire. Then go to the storage and case and do clear case. Make sure you have free storage in your mobile phone or mobile storage. Sometimes low storage is also problem the game not loading, or sometimes it's so maintenance break and just wait. That's it. That's how you can fix your Free Fire not loading problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you, and do not forget like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.